Namaste and welcome. Come to standing with your feet a little bit wider than hip width apart. Palms facing up. Just taking some deep breaths here, in and out through the nose. That's it, finding a place of stillness. And then connecting with the two movements of Apana and Udana. As you inhale, the hands gently rise. As you exhale, turn the palms to face the mat and bend the knees slightly. So inhaling, feeling the Udana rising. And exhaling, Apana, palms turn to face the mat as you ground. Inhale, lifting. And exhaling, grounding down. That's it. So with the breath, connecting with the rooting and the rising energy within this short movement meditation here. Feeling buoyancy in the knees. The knees are bent slightly. Breath is soft. Eyes can be closed or at a half gaze. Inhaling, arms rise. Exhale, palms turn as they lower towards the earth. Inhaling and exhaling. Just finding your feet, finding your foundation, your stability. And connecting with the earth beneath you. Inhale, rising, and exhaling, rooting, grounding. Inhale, rising, and exhaling. That's it. A few more cycles. Inhaling and exhaling. Stepping the feet a little closer together. Playing with your point of gravity, your center point of gravity here. So you're going to step the left foot forward and then out to the side and then back. Then out to the side and then forward. And again out to the side and back. So keeping the right leg connected to the earth and just playing with your center point of gravity, stepping the left foot out to the side and then to the front. And then changing sides. The left leg is nice and grounded. Now the right leg steps forward, out to the side and then back. Then out to the side and forward, out to the side and back. So really feeling yourself moving from that center point to these different points around the mat. Come back to center and again left leg forward, left leg out to the side and back. This time as you come to the side, really give your weight to the earth and then forward. Out to the side, feeling this gentle lean, this rocking. So the movement itself becomes effortless. Then changing, right leg forward, out to the side, leaning, and then back. Out to the side, and forward. That's it. Keeping that left foot nice and grounded and still. Coming back to your center point. That's it, last cycle, out to the side, back, out to the side, and forward. And then turning to face the top of your mat. Inhale, arms rise, palms touch. And exhaling, drawing the hands down towards the heart. And inhaling, arms rise, palms touch. Exhaling, hands come down, drawing in the right knee, wrapping the hands around the knee, hugging the thigh towards the belly. That's it. Connecting to your still point, grounding down with the left leg. We open the right knee out to the right, balancing with the left arm. Drawing the knee through center, left arm takes the right knee, twisting, opening towards the right. Right arm extends away from you. Coming back through center, taking the 2 fingers and thumb, wrapping around the big toe, left hand is on the hip, extending the right leg forward. And then out to the side, hand can be on the hip or extending open for balance. Drawing the leg through center, left hand takes the little toe side. And then we twist and open towards the right, looking over that right shoulder. Maintaining stability and balance here. Inhale, right arm reaches for the sky, crosses over the left, reaching for the big toe. And bending the elbows, drawing the forehead towards those toes. Release the leg, inhale, arms rise. And exhaling, arms come down either side. Changing sides now, inhaling, arms open, palms touch. Exhale, hands come down the center line, through the heart. Inhaling, arms rise, palms touch, looking up. Exhaling, hands come down, drawing in the left knee, wrapping the hands around the knee, drawing the thigh towards the belly. Stability now in the right leg. Open the left knee out to the side. Open the right arm away from you for balance. And drawing the left knee in, holding the left knee with the right hand, twisting and opening towards the left. Reaching behind you with that left arm. Inhaling, drawing the left arm back, wrapping the 2 fingers and thumb around the big toe. Extending the leg forward, hand can be on the hip. Then moving the leg out to the side, optional, right hand remains on the hip or out at shoulder height for balance. Drawing the leg back through center, taking the right hand, holding the little toe side, reaching back and behind you with the left arm. Maintaining balance and stability here. Inhaling, left arm reaches up over the crown of the head, reaching for the big toe side, bend the elbows, drawing the heart towards the thigh. Release the leg, extend the arms over the crown of the head. And exhaling, release the hands either side of the body. Hands to the sacrum, bend the knees. Inhale, lifting, lengthening, standing anahata, standing back bend. Exhale and fold, massage down the backs of the legs. Inhaling, drawing the hands up along the front of the legs, rising up, hands to the sacrum, bend the knees, straighten the legs, lift and lengthen, heart towards the sky. And exhale and fold, massaging down the backs of the legs, hugging in the legs, chin to chest. Inhaling, drawing the arms up the front of the legs, bend the knees, standing anahata, fingertips facing up, hands on the sacrum, looking up or back. Exhale and fold, massaging down the backs of the legs. Crossing the wrists, threading the arms through, and then holding the opposite ankles. Bend the knees, so really creating a nice intimate relationship between the thigh and the belly. That's it, bend the knees, pressing, and then gently straightening the legs, feeling a gentle pulsation here in the thighs, connecting belly and thighs, elongating the hamstrings. Release the arms, hands come down. We step back into a downward facing dog. Hips are high. Inhale, lift the heels. Exhale, heels extend to the back of the mat. Inhale, lift the heels. Exhale, heels extend to the back of the mat. Inhale, lifting, and exhale, releasing. Deep breaths here. You step the feet hip distance apart, begin to walk the hands back, bend the knees, hands in prayer position, elbows to the inner knees. If you need to, you can rest your heels on a block or a cushion. Beginning to twist now, left arm comes forward, right arm reaches back behind you. Inhale, center, hands in prayer. Exhale, opening now to the left, right arm is in front, left arm behind you. Inhale, center, elbows to the inner knees. And opening to the right. Exhale, hands in prayer, back to the center. And opening to the left. Exhaling back to center, hands in prayer. Long spine here, just enjoying a gentle twist and an opening of the upper back. Twisting and opening to the left. And exhaling back through center. Release the arms, straighten the legs, interlock the fingers behind you, drawing the hands away from the body, chin to chest. Moving the hands away from you. Deep breaths here. Inhaling, lifting, hands massage down the backs of the legs, drawing the thighs towards the belly, walking the hands out into downward facing dog. Inhaling, lifting the heels, and exhale, heels extend to the back of the mat. Inhale, lifting, and exhaling. Inhale, lift, and we turn the toes one direction, heels to the opposite direction. So just twisting on the toes here. And then changing direction, so you may need to widen your feet slightly, so there's space as the feet flow from side to side. Just enjoying a nice stretch here along the outer edges of the legs and along the side waist. And changing sides when you need to. That's it. Moving consciously. Moving with integrity. And changing again. And changing, really feeling your heels and your feet connected to the mat. Coming back through center, feet together, right leg to the sky, spread the toes, reaching back and up. Inhaling, drawing the knee into the navel. We circle the knee out and around, so hip joint mandala here. Inhaling, opening the knee out and around to the side, drawing the knee in, then opening out and around, exploring the full rotation of the joints. Drawing the knee in, exhaling, step the foot through the hands. Inhale, raising up, high lunge, reach the arms to the sky, bend the back knee slightly, feeling the front thigh become parallel with the mat. Full circle with the arms as the hands come down. Straightening both legs, drawing the right leg back and up, away from you, spread the toes. Exhaling, right foot next to the left. Inhaling now, left leg towards the sky. Spreading the toes, reaching back and up. Exhale, drawing the knee in towards the navel. Open the knee out and around. So full hip joint mandala once again. Exploring the full rotation of the hip here. Inhale, gathering it in. Exhaling, opening and moving it out and around. Drawing the knee in, step the foot between the hands. Inhale, arms rise, high lunge, bend the back knee slightly. Front thigh is parallel with the mat. Feeling the extension of the arms up to the sky, full circle, release them back and down, straighten both legs, left leg extends back and up towards the sky, spread the toes, exhaling left foot next to the right. Deep breaths here. Inhaling, gradually begin to walk the feet to the hands. Folding. Inhale, hands on the thighs, lift halfway. Exhale, ripple down the spine. Inhale, hands on the thighs, lift halfway. Exhale, ripple down the spine. Inhale, lift and lengthen halfway. Exhale and fold. Bend the knees, gently roll up through the spine, this time with a little rocking from side to side. So the knees are bent, the head is heavy, and as you roll up through the spine, you're just gently rocking from side to side, really massaging and releasing any tension in the side waist, the side ribs, the sides of the spine, the sides of the vertebrae. And even as you come up to standing, still feeling this gentle sway and this gentle rocking from side to side. The unraveling the knots, releasing tension, and most importantly, softening. Softening again and again. Exhaling, chin to chest. Inhale, rocking from side to side, gentle sway. Chin to chest, gently roll up the spine, roll the shoulders, extend the arms forward and up. Reaching tall. Exhaling, full circle with the arms back and down. And step the right foot forward, out to the side and back. That's it. Out to the side and forward. So the end is a repetition of the beginning. Finding that still point, maintaining our integrity with the connection to our center point. So many things in life that can throw us off balance. And here we just learn how to play with that. Changing sides, left leg forward, out to the side and back, out to the side and forward. That's it. Knowing the potentiality and the space around us, but still maintaining that connection to our center. The connection to that which keeps us focused, that which keeps us aligned with our purpose. Coming back, palms facing up. Raising the arms gently, exhale, palms turn. So Apana and Udana, the two movements of prana. Part of the Pancha Vayus, the five winds, the five movements of energy, rising and rooting. Inhale, arms wide, palms touch, looking up. Exhaling, hands come down to the heart. Blessings on your body, blessings on your breath. Thank you for joining me. Namaste.